Hello, Salesforce enthusiasts. Ever felt overwhelmed by too much information on your screen? Today, we're diving into the world of Salesforce compact layouts, which help make your digital workspace as tidy and efficient as possible. Let's get started. What is a compact layout in Salesforce? A compact layout in Salesforce is essentially a streamlined view of your most crucial record information. Think of it like your wallet, where you only keep your most essential cards and a bit of cash, instead of carrying every card and receipt you own. In Salesforce, compact layouts let you see the key details of a record at a glance, without the clutter. Why do we use compact layouts? It's all about efficiency and focus. For example, if you're a sales rep checking customer records during calls, you'd want to quickly see their name, contact info, and recent orders, nothing more. Compact layouts allow you to access this information swiftly, enhancing productivity and reducing the time spent searching for data. Let's see it in action. Imagine a sales rep, Lisa, who needs to confirm client details during a quick phone call. With a compact layout, she immediately sees the client's name, phone number, and last order date right at the top of the record. This quick access allows her to provide personalized service without flipping through unnecessary details. Ready to create your own compact layout? Go to Object Manager and select the object you want to customize, like contacts. This area lets you manage how all your record data is organized and displayed. Find Compact Layouts in the menu and click New Compact Layout. It's time to decide what essential information you want at your fingertips. Choose the fields you think are most critical for quick viewing. Drag and drop fields like name, phone number, and last order date into your new layout. These selections should reflect the information that's most frequently needed by someone viewing the record. After adding your fields, give your compact layout a name and save it. Then, assign it to the appropriate user profiles so the right team members can start using it immediately. This ensures that everyone who needs this streamlined view can benefit from it. And just like that, you've set up a compact layout in Salesforce, making daily tasks quicker and more focused for everyone involved. Thank you for joining us on this journey to more efficient Salesforce management. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more helpful Salesforce tips. See you next time.